Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily enable a price alert in Phemex. Price alerts are a great way to keep track of market movements without constantly watching the charts. So in order to add a price alert on Phemex, the first thing you want to do is to launch the Phemex app, open and log into your account. Once you're inside the homepage logged in, go ahead and open up the currency trading pair you are interested in. You can choose it from your favorite tab, and once you're inside this chart page, go to the bottom left and look for the alert button with a bell icon in it. Tap on it, and in the pop-up, click on Price Alert Settings. Now, go ahead and enter the price you wish to be alerted in. You can easily choose whether you want to be alerted when the price rises or falls below a level. I'm just going to go ahead and type in a target price here first. And once you do that, go to the next field, and if you want the alert to repeat, toggle on the switch right next to repeat alerts. And now click on add. Now you have successfully added a price alert. Now your alert will be active and it will be displayed at the bottom over here. That's how you easily add a price alert on Phemex. Now you can let Phemex keep an eye on the market for you. Price alerts are a handy tool for staying informed and reacting quickly when important price levels are reached. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.